Hey everyone, it's me, Shannon. Sorry I look like crap. I just literally woke up from a nap to some awesome mail. So I had to get on here and share it with you guys. Now, I haven't told a ton of people, but my birthday is on the 19th of June, which this year falls on Father's Day. No big deal. But yes, it is my birthday this month, so I did a little birthday shopping. I'll give you guys a full birthday haul type thing when everything comes. But I did get a nice shirt. Um, my husband and I have an interview with immigration, as you guys know. He's from England, so we're finishing the immigration process, and we have our interview on the 27th. So wish us luck. And so I wanted to look really nice. So I got this shirt, and I ain't gonna hold them up because I don't want anybody seeing how fat my ass is. And excuse the language, but it's true. So here's a pant leg, pant legs. I got a pair of just black pants to go with my shirt. But here's the best part. I got a pink little box in the mail. Now, I have been wanting something from Jeffree Star for a long time. I bought 5 of his liquid lipsticks. So we're gonna open it up. Okay, so here's a little card that comes in the box. I mean, come on, is that not fierce or what? Hello. And then their new skin frosts. I don't know. Eventually, maybe I want to get one of those. So, but I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, how cute! It's got even the tissue paper has got a sticker with his logo. I love it, and his logo's all over the tissue paper too. Now, I spoiled the surprise for a friend. One of these are not mine. One of these are for a swap that I'm doing. But, let's see. Oh, this is one of the new ones. This is one of mine. Oh, and if you haven't seen, my honey got my nails done. They're not purple, or they're not blue, they're purple. So, here's the first one. It's called Rose Matter. Oh, it is beautiful, guys. Maybe I can get my husband to turn the light on. But, oh my god. That is such a pretty color. How did I just do that? I did. Definitely smells like root beer. Let's do a little swatchy. Oh, to die for. To die for. That's Rose Matter. Let's see what else did I get. I'm keeping these little boxes too. I got probably one of the prettiest reds that he does. Well, he does a few pretty reds. This dark beauty is unicorn blood. That doesn't smell very good. I think I'm gonna. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. That has an odd odor. That's unicorn blood. See, okay, this one's not mine, so I'm not going to swatch it, but I will show you the color. If I can get it open without killing the box. Maybe I'll have my husband help me open this one. Baby, can you? I don't want to ruin the box because that one's... Okay, so this one I'm not swatching, but that is prom night or prom queen? Prom night. It is a lot brighter than it is showing up on my camera. That's going straight back in the package. And that package is being closed. Because like I said, that is not mine. Although very tempting to keep. Okay. My next one, Honeydew. Can you just open both of these for me? Okay, so the next one my husband's going to hand me is Mannequin. Now this is another one of his new ones. The Rose Madder and Mannequin were two new ones. So this is Mannequin. It's a really light brownie nude. Hold on a second.
Yeah, all right, come on. It's that time, you know what I mean?
Okay, so this one is, see, no, this one, okay, this one smells like root beer too. So it's like a really light nudie. And that's it right there. That's Mannequin. Now this one, I know you're gonna laugh, but I'm nude. This one is a little bit lighter than Mannequin. Mannequin is more brownish, tannish based. So, and that is I'm Nude. You guys, I'm so excited to get these on my lips. Ah, what a great birthday. I love my honey for spoiling me. But I love you guys. That was my little haul. Wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know if you guys have any of his liquid lippies and what you think of them.